about the decorated design pattern practical implementation using some use case. So this is the use case. If suppose if you haven't watched the decorated design pattern theoretical video with real life and real time example, please go and watch that video and then come to this video for better understanding purposes. The video link for the previous video would be present at the description box of this video, so you can use that link for viewing the previous video. So let's come to this video, decorated design pattern. So before discussing about the practical implementation of decorated design pattern, if you want to buy a book for the software design patterns, then you could use the link which would be present at the description box of this video. So you can buy software design pattern official book on online. The book rate would be very cheaper when compared to other books. So let's dive into the topic. So decorated design pattern. So first let's consider a scenario where decorated design pattern would be used in a real life example. So there are two types of customer. So first customer and the second customer. So both of them are willing to buy a chicken pizza. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to visit the nearby pizza shop and they are trying to order the pizza. The first customer is willing to buy chicken pizza, and then second customer is also willing to buy chicken pizza but with the extra toppings. So with the toppings. So this second customer is somewhat different. He is trying to buy some chicken pizza with the toppings. Here chicken pizza is some base object. We can relate this chicken pizza with our Java class objects. Yes, chicken pizza is some base object, and then chicken pizza with the toppings. There is no base object which covers chicken pizza with the toppings. Here this extra responsibility or extra features are added dynamically at runtime. So with the toppings is the extra responsibility that needs to be handled at the runtime. So we can relate this use case using some diagram here. So this is mushroom pizza and the chicken pizza. Both these implements the pizza interface. In pizza interface there is only one abstract method which is called get pizza. This is an abstract method. This abstract method would be implemented by mushroom pizza and then chicken pizza. And then if the customers who are willing to buy mushroom pizza and chicken pizza, then using these base objects we can serve base classes, we can serve those customers. If there are customers who are asking some extra toppings or extra cheese over chicken or mushroom pizza, then this pizza maker won't able to serve those customers using this existing base object. They need some decorator, so they need to add some extra responsibility at the runtime. So that is called this pizza with the toppings. So here this is one of the decorator class which extends it pizza decorator. Here there can be n number of pizza decorators. For example, pizza with the toppings is one of those decorator class. It can be pizza with cheese, pizza with extra cheese, pizza with spicy. These are some of the examples of decorator classes. Here we are trying to in this pizza with toppings, which is one of those decorator class, which is trying to use the base object and trying to add extra responsibilities at the runtime. So this is the base object and we are trying to add extra responsibilities. Here add toppings is the extra responsibilities that we are trying to add at the runtime based on the user requirement. So we will try to relate this diagram with our code. So mushroom pizza, chicken pizza and pizza. Here this is a pizza interface which mushroom pizza which implements the pizza interface and which overrides the get pizza method system.out.println. It will print the mushroom pizza, and then chicken pizza is also one of the base classes which implements pizza interface, and it also overrided the get pizza method. It will print the chicken pizza. So these three classes, this is one of those. This is the interface, and these two classes are some base classes. And then comes the pizza decorator, which is an abstract class which implements pizza. So which implements pizza. This pizza decorator abstract class would be extended by n number of decorator classes. One of those decorator classes is pizza with toppings. So here pizza decorator accepts some pizza object in the constructor, so it will try to use that object for decorating. So pizza decorator is is an abstract class. Pizza with the toppings is an extended class of pizza decorator. Here pizza with the toppings will try to use the base object and it will try to add the extra responsibility, which is add toppings is the extra responsibility in this case at the runtime dynamically. So if we look at the main program, main class, you could get the details in a detailed manner. So here these are the there are 4 types of customer. Customer 1 is trying to order chicken pizza. So chicken pizza, we have already we have the base class to serve the request. So using this base class, which is chicken pizza, we are trying to create an object, and using that object we are trying to serve that customer 1. And then customer 2 is ordering mushroom pizza. We have a base object, a base class called mushroom pizza. Using that base class we are trying to create an object and we are trying to serve that customer 2. And then customer 3 he is coming and asking, he is ordering chicken pizza with extra toppings. So we don't have base class for serving that request. So what that food maker do is he will try to use the decorator class. So pizza with the toppings is an decorator class. Here we are trying to send the base object inside the constructor param. Using that base object, it will try to add the extra responsibilities, which is add toppings at the runtime as the class. So here customer 3 request is served dynamically at the runtime by adding extra toppings on chicken pizza. Similarly, customer 4 is asking mushroom pizza with the toppings. So here we are just sending the mushroom pizza object as an constructor param at the runtime, and then using the decorator class we are trying to serve the request for customer 4. If you run this program, you could clearly know the differences between the base class and the decorator class. Here customer 1 request is served using the base class object chicken pizza, and then customer 2 request is served using the base class called mushroom pizza, and customer 3 request is served using decorator class called pizza with the toppings by sending the chicken pizza as an object. Customer 4 request is served using pizza with the toppings class by sending mushroom pizza as an object. So this is the best example for explaining the decorator design pattern using some use case. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Please try to subscribe my channel for watching other software design patterns in a detailed manner. If you want to buy a software design patterns book, you could use the link that is present at the description box of this video for buying the book on online. So thanks for watching this video.